Hutchinson Manufacturing was founded in 1953 by my dad, Eugene Daggett, and we specialize in making products that are a little more on the high end and with more technical requirements.
Well, we do have a 100,000 square foot plant. We do all of our own fabrication, including thermal cutting, laser cutting, plasma cutting, oxy cutting, saw cutting of various sizes of structural materials. We do all of our own machining, from small vertical VMC work up to large horizontal machining.
I mean, we've produced some incredible product. We've seen them on the Discovery Channel. We've seen them in Popular Mechanics. We have produced a nuclear product that lifts the reactor in and out of the building, which to me is phenomenal.
I think people they want to buy it from somebody they know and trust. And so when it comes to that human factor of, do they want to work with us? Sure they do. I mean, we make their problems our problems and we solve them.
The thought that making parts that go into like a nuclear reactor, those parts have to be 100% correct. They're right, they have to be right. And that's really exciting to be able to do something that is that critical. And the engineers work side by side with you literally every day, because each part is a whole new story.
It's pretty unique just from the size of the parts that we work on. To hold say a 15 thousandths tolerance on a 10-foot long part is amazing, really. And to know that your parts are going to the bottom of the ocean is a pretty cool thing.
We have a wide variety of product that's on the shop floor at any given day. And we have the systems and the employees to know how to handle that.
There's always guys out there that'll, like veterans if you want to call them, always willing to help anybody new, so they make a quality product.
The camaraderie is there on the floor. A lot of guys hunt together here. A lot of them fish together here.
The company itself has become very, very stable, very strong. They look out into the future. They don't look at what's happening today. They look out into the future and see what can be done. It's more of a can-do attitude.
When you've got customers that have demanding requirements in terms of their quality documentation, documentation of processes, and able to do processes that they need, such as sophisticated welding and close tolerance machining and applying sophisticated coatings, we're able to do that, and we're able to do it under one roof, which is very unique. By doing that, we're able to control our quality, we're able to control our on-time delivery much better, and it offers customers a lot of punch when they come here to do business with us.